So here's our ingredients: 3 pieces lava cake, 1 condensed milk, 2 all-purpose cream, and 1 Oreo. First, you have to cut the lava cake into cubes, and then the remaining one you can crush it. And the next one is the Oreo cookies. You have to cut it into cubes as well, and then the remaining you have to crush it. So now we are preparing our all-purpose cream. Pour your all-purpose cream into container, and then after this, mix it. As you can see here, my all-purpose cream is not chilled. Dapat chilled siya. I've got a mistake buying this. So what I did is I mixed first the condensed milk into all-purpose cream. And then, ayan, minix ko muna siya. Then, after that, nilagay ko muna siya sa refrigerator for almost 1 hour para naman medyo parang tumigas-tigas siya ng konti. Para kasi ma-mix mo siya ng maayos. You cannot make an ice cream kung yung all-purpose cream mo hindi siya chilled. So, ayan, dapat medyo maano siya. So, what I did is, after 1 hour, ayan, minix ko na yung crushed lava cake and Oreo cookies, and then yung cut na cubes ng lava cake and the Oreo, minix ko na rin siya, and then the remaining ginawa ko na siyang toppings. Then after that, ayan, ginawa ko na siya ng toppings, and then after that, dinlagay ko siya sa refrigerator, and then there for overnight. And then pagising ko ng umaga, ayan na, meron na tayong lava cake ice cream. So you guys can do this at your home, be safe, and then magkakaroon na kayo ng ice cream. Thank you so much for watching.